You're watching football with your friends. A player scores. Everyone erupts. Then the referee raises the flag. Offside. The goal doesn't count. And someone asks you, why was that offside? And you freeze. If that's ever been you, this video is for you. The offside rule is the most complained about, most misunderstood rule in football. Fans argue about it in stadiums, in pubs, in family group chats. TV pundits debate it for 20 minutes. Referees get it wrong. VAR takes 3 minutes to decide. And yet, at its core, the rule is actually simple. You just need to understand 3 things. Here it is. A player is offside if, at the exact moment the ball is played to them, they are closer to the opponent's goal line than both the ball and the second-to-last defender. That's it. That's the rule. But let's break that down, because 3 things in that sentence matter. 1. It's the moment the ball is played, not when the player receives it, the moment their teammate kicks it. 2. It's the second-to-last defender, not the last, because the last defender is almost always the goalkeeper. So, in practice, you're looking at the last outfield defender. 3. Any part of the body that can legally score a goal counts. Head, foot, shoulder. If even 1 centimeter of your body is ahead of that defender, you're offside. Let's look at 3 situations. Scenario 1. The striker is level with the last defender when the pass is played. Is that offside? No. Level is not offside. The attacker needs to be ahead? Not equal. Scenario 2. The striker is ahead of the defender, but the ball is played backward to a midfielder behind the play. Offside? No. You can only be offside in the opponent's half, and only if the pass is going forward toward you. Scenario 3. A striker is 2 meters behind the defender. The ball is played. The striker runs past the defender and scores. Is that offside? No, because at the moment the ball was played, the striker was onside. What happens after doesn't matter. This is why you see players sprinting from deep positions after a pass and still scoring legitimate goals. The flag stays down. The goal stands. Because without it, football would be chaos. Imagine removing the offside rule entirely. Every team would just station their fastest striker next to the opponent's goalkeeper. The ball gets launched long. The striker races in one-on-one. Goal every time. No tactics, no pressing, no build-up play, no passing combinations. Just kick and run. The offside rule forces teams to build attacks. It creates the tactical battles you see. Defenders holding a high line, strikers timing their runs, midfielders timing their passes to the millisecond. The entire shape of modern football depends on it. So why does it still feel complicated? 2 reasons. First, it happens fast. What your eyes see at full speed looks different from what the freeze frame shows. That 1 centimeter of shoulder that triggers the flag, you can't see that in real time. VAR can, your eyes can't. Second, there are exceptions. You can't be offside from a goal kick, a corner kick, or a throw-in, which means sometimes a ball goes over the top, everyone expects the flag, and nothing comes. Because it was a goal kick. But the core rule, why the thing that applies 90% of the time, you now understand it. Next time that flag goes up, you'll know exactly why. And when someone asks you to explain it, you'll actually be able to. If you want to understand more of the rules, tactics, and stories behind football, especially with the World Cup coming, subscribe. New video drops this week on how the World Cup actually works. Groups, knockouts, all of it. See you there.